From Azul Cosmetic Surgery and Medical Spa, Dr. Patrick Flaherty, who wants to meet you guys. He's got a seminar coming up that's going to be in Fort Myers at his office on December 13th, and also another seminar in Naples on December 15th if you can't make that one. So be sure to call the office for more details on how you can get a seat. From Azul Cosmetic Surgery and Medical Spa, we are so happy to welcome back Dr. Patrick Flaherty. Good morning. Great to have you back.
Good to be back.
We're going to talk about advanced techniques in facelifting this morning. How has facelift surgery changed over the years?
Yeah, so there's a lot of myths about facelifts because people remember from 10 or 20 years ago and they go, oh, wow, I remember somebody was in the hospital, this and that. But it's, you know, like everything else, technology and modern techniques, yes, have changed things a lot. And so, you know, facelifts now, in my hands, are done under IV sedation, not general anesthesia. We don't use tubes anymore, like drainage tubes, which, you know, were commonly used all the time in the past. With newer techniques, those things can be avoided. So it's a shorter operation with less downtime. You know, most patients who have a procedure will have 1 to 2 weeks of downtime, and then they'll be back out socially again. So it really, it's still this gold standard for rejuvenation of the face. When you get to that age where you get enough laxity or deflation where things need to be addressed more thoroughly. And it's long-lasting, and so I think that's the good news.
And when you say long-lasting, I was a little stunned when you told me this, but typically they last around 10 years, right?
Yeah, the fact is most people who have a face and neck lift or a brow lift or any of these surgical procedures like the lids, that typically will be one time in their life. So it's kind of a one-time event. Now, obviously, 10, 20 years later, you're going to have aged again, and sometimes people will come back and have a secondary procedure, which isn't the same as the first. It's usually much less involved. So, you know, future procedures can be done, but for the most part, it's a long-lasting procedure. Yeah.
And I've got to ask, you know, we've all seen that overdone facelift, right? How do we avoid that?
Yeah, I mean, good technique is important, and every face is different, so you have to work within the parameters of what that face gives you. I mean, every day I have patients coming in asking for facelifts, and some of them don't need facelifts. They need skin tightening with the laser or fat augmentation or something else, something non-surgical. And so really you have to look at the face and design a plan that makes sense for that face, and that means not being rigid about everybody gets this treatment.
So everyone has kind of a different situation. They may not need that, but maybe another procedure could work best for them.
Right, right.
In this particular instance, we are talking this facelift technique, which you kind of get the best of the best with this. We have a couple great examples of some before and afters.
Yes.
Talk about what she had done.
So this is a patient who's been committed to doing maintenance, which is really important. So in the left is her pre-op picture, which is about when she was 50. The right, her post-op picture, she's over 60 now.
I was going to say, are we allowed to say her age? Because we've met her before, and she looks incredible.
And she looks way better now than she did 10 years ago. And that's because of maintenance with Botox fillers, skincare, as well as she had a brow and face and neck lift, which you can see gets rid of the looseness of the jowls and neck. So, you know, the surgical part is kind of a one-time event in the course of your life, but those people are committed to maintaining it with skincare, and some of the injectables can keep themselves looking their best for many, many years. Another patient you can see who's got sort of a deflation and sagging of the face, and with a rejuvenation procedure, brow, face, and neck, and some volume to the mid-face, really has a much more youthful shape to the face, and that's going to last her many, many years.
She looks absolutely gorgeous. And where are you guys located? I know you have a new location in Naples. Do you travel between the locations, or what are you doing now?
So we have 3 offices, one in Fort Myers, one in Bonita Springs, and one now in Naples as well. So I spend time at each office every week, 1 day in each, and then the other days I'm in the operating room.
Well, congratulations on that Naples location. You make it easy for us to come in and find you. And as we close here, how do you suggest we set up an appointment? Do you call? Do you take walk-ins?
Yeah, no, it's calling to make an appointment. So if they call, but anybody who's watched the show, we waive the consultation fee so they can get a free cosmetic consultation with me or with our staff. We have a number of really top-notch providers as well.
Dr. Flaherty, thank you so much. Don't forget to mention you saw us in the Morning Blend. So head online to our website to learn more about Dr. Flaherty and his services at fox4morningblend.com. And Dr. Patrick Flaherty also has a few special offers for our viewers. During this month, take advantage of his 15% off gift card special. When you purchase a $100 gift card, you get $15 for free. You can check out any of their services. To learn more, head to their website, azulbeauty.com. Coming up next, we are tossing out those boring salads and mixing up one of my family favorites. Up next, the cool classic concoction you can whip up in minutes.
We are getting our morning jump start with Seminole Casino Immokalee. Let's start off this winning day with the Seminole Casino Hotel Immokalee and the Paradise High Limit Room. This is one spot in Southwest Florida where you can win and win big. But the Morning Blend is the only place where you can find these great mugs. The fourth person to call, 239-673-3388, will receive this Morning Blend Seminole Casino mug. Now, you can't win if you won anything within the last 120 days. Good luck.